Hello dear viewers, my name is Nick and today I will show you how to download and play Shinigami Adventure on your PC. As you can see, now I use my laptop, but I can easily install this game by using the Android emulator. So first of all, I will show you how to download an Android emulator, and after that we will install this game from Play Store. Well, let's get started. So all you need to do to install an Android emulator is just open up a browser and type in the search box the name of the necessary Android emulator. For example, I advise you to use LD Player, but you can use another one. So just type the name of the Android emulator and download it. So go to their official website, and now we can easily install it. Just click on the download button. Okay, run the installer, and after that you'll find this icon on your PC. So run it, of course, and then you'll see this window. So it's like a virtual phone on your computer, and you can of course easily install any apps, any games on it. So all you need to do is just go to Play Store and type here, in our case, Shinigami Adventure. Here it is. So let's install it. Oh, and now we need to wait until this really big game will be installed on our PC. We need to install 1.30 gigabytes. Finally, this game is installed, and let's try to play it on my PC. So it's really cool way how you can play this game on your PC. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.